Meaning of deuced.
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 Deuced. The word deuced is an adjective that means something or someone is annoying or unpleasant. It is often used to express frustration or irritation. For example, if someone says the deuced car won't start, they are expressing their annoyance with the situation. Overall, the term deuced conveys a sense of negativity and dissatisfaction. It is a colloquialism that is often used in informal contexts, such as casual conversation or humorous writing. While it has fallen out of common usage in recent years, it is still occasionally used in certain regions and by some speakers as a way to convey mild frustration or irritation.